Hi guys, so today we're going to be walking through how to make our brand new quick cook tapioca. You may be familiar with our standard tapioca, which has a cooking time of around 40 minutes, with 20 minutes on the boil and 20 minutes to sit afterwards. This is essentially the same thing, maintaining the same texture and taste of standard tapioca whilst reducing the prep time by around 4 times. These tapioca balls need to be cooked for 5 minutes and let to sit for 5 more minutes, and then they're ready to go. Previously, the only other alternative was our instant tapioca, which, whilst convenient, needing to be only microwaved for about 20 seconds, sacrificed taste and texture. This is a much better and more exciting alternative. The ratio is 1 to 10, so today we're going to be cooking 100 grams of these, so we'll need 1 litre of water. Perfect. Okay, so now that we've got 100 grams of tapioca, we're going to need 10 times that in volume of water. So that's 1 litre. So got our litre of water, and now we're going to bring it to the boil. Just going to turn it on and get that water boiling. Okay, so now that we've brought the water to a boil, we're going to add in our tapioca. So now that we've added it in and the tapioca balls have risen to the top, we're going to put the lid on and start a 5-minute timer. We've set the 5-minute timer. Just going to put it here and watch that and come back in a bit. So 5 minutes are up, so we're just going to take it off the heat now and leave it to rest for another 5 minutes. As you can see, guys, 5 minutes are up, so I'm going to stop that now. And our tapioca is now cooked. See? So what we're going to do is we're going to pour out all the tapioca balls into a sieve and wash them, and then we're just about done. So I'm coming in now with the tapioca, just pouring it over a sieve. No? And now we need to wash our tapioca under some cold water. So I'm just going to turn the sink on, get my hands, and just rinse the tapioca under the cold water. This is going to help with the texture of the balls. Okay, so now I'm just going to transfer them into a nice storage tin like so. And the last step is going to be combining it with some brown sugar or hazelnut syrup. And that's what gives the tapioca the famous taste that we're also familiar with. You can add as little or as much as you like. It depends on the consistency you prefer. Just going to move that around. Make sure all of the tapioca balls are soaking in that brown sugar syrup. And then we're just about done. As you can see, guys, texture, shape is all exactly the same as your standard tapioca balls, but you're making it 4 times quicker than you're used to. So, as you can see, guys, super easy to make. And you'll find when you taste it that it has just the same texture and taste as your regular tapioca. So all you're really doing is making your life easier. So make sure to try our brand new quick cook tapioca balls. There you are, guys.